kids! Today we're going to draw a yummy strawberry. Grab your crayons and let's draw together.
Kids, are you ready? Let's draw and have lots of fun.
Strawberry is so sweet. I love strawberries. And let's draw together.
Yay, it's drawing time. Pick your crayons and let's create. Come on, kids. Draw with me. It's going to be so much fun. Draw, draw, draw with me. 1, 2, 3. Yay. Color, color. Don't stop. Make it pretty. Make it pop. Woohoo! Let's finish together. It's going to look amazing. Yay! Great job, little artist.